I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way.
Boys, come on down.
Then you came to me.
Happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's Day. We got you guys a little special something. You wanna go see what it is? Hey, come with me. Daddy might have to take us. So you guys can see what we got for you.
You all get money, a movie ticket, and then we get to choose what
Look
you
at
get.
all that stuff we got.
So here's our menu. You can have popcorn, drinks, zebra cakes, and more. And first we're gonna make some cupcakes later. And guess what we're gonna do for dinner? We're gonna have make your own mini pizza for dinner.
We can make pizza for dinner, and then you guys can go shopping with your money that we got here, your Fortnite money, to buy any of these snacks and treats up here.
What's this, 100?
Like,
Sweet tarts roll.
what do you guys think of that? That'd be fun?
Then you guys want to make your own pizzas later too? And we got pineapple and pepperoni and bacon. And you can.
Hey, you guys here? You guys want your movie ticket?
Get a movie
Movie
ticket.
ticket for
Here's a
you.
movie ticket for Mason.
Why do we have right
Here's
now,
a
though?
movie ticket for Enzo.
You need to save it for when we go to the movie tonight.
Pick up that money. Okay, so then
Movie
each
ticket
of
for
you,
Mommy and Daddy.
Each of you, so this one's a Z, so this is Z. So you each get 1,000, 2,000, 2,500, 3,000, 3,100, and 3,200 V-Bucks, Valentine's Day bucks for all your movie treats. So
Good
you
thing
each
we
get your
put
own.
the prices accordingly for spending.
Xander's money, and here's Mason's money.
Don't be too excited,
We're
Mason.
gonna start our pizza. So you guys ready? Who's this at? First thing first is we're brushing our crust with some olive oil, and then we got some of the toppings out here that we're gonna put on, and we'll show you the creations when you're done. You guys ready? That much.
Done?
You'll want to do mozzarella.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Did you
Now
lick lick it? Tell me if it's good.
Yeah. So you make them on that.
No, spread it out and then.
Putting his little pepperonis on. Enzo over there putting a lot of cheese.
I put the washi.
And Xander's got pineapple. Mason's got pineapple and pepperonis.
Take a look at these ones. Oh, wow. Those are great.
Is this Mason?
Mason and Zeke's.
Take a pineapple. Good.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Good job. You guys ready to spend your money?
Yeah. We have some money in the wallet.
All right, Dad, give them the money.
Money.
We're going shopping in the
We're gonna do it one at
store.
a time. Who wants to go first?
Spending their
So
money.
here's that. Then here's your juice. Now what do you like?
That's my money.
Very good. And then you get 5 of these.
And then I can do
What are
one.
those? Okay, yep, you get 2 of those.
No.
So you get 2 of these, 5 of those, and that. So this right here is 300. So you have 500 for those and 300 for those. So you have 300. Yep.
Yep.
Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright.
Like and subscribe to our channel.